Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an account on Canva. Okay, Canva is actually a tool for graphic designing. Okay, there are a lot of things you can design on Canva. You can design flyers, you can design banners, wedding invitations, cards, a lot of things. You can see these are examples. You can see these are templates of what you can edit and then design to your taste. Okay, so guys, just make sure you follow through and watch this video from beginning to the end so you can learn how you can create an account on this platform. Okay, I'm also going to be making another video on how you can design any type of how you can edit any type of template to your own taste, maybe a flyer or a logo or a banner or a wedding invitation card or anything you want to design for yourself. Okay, so and trust me, this tool is actually free, although it has a pro plan. It has a pro plan where you have to pay to access some kind of templates, but for this video it's gonna be we're gonna be using the free package. Okay, and with this free package there are a lot of things you can design for yourself. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to take you through this step right now. Okay, so once you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, you're going to be directed to this page. Okay, so once you get to this page, what you want to do is just click on these three dash at this corner. You can see it there. Okay, so once you just click on this, you're going to see options of where it's going to show you to sign up. Okay, so you're just going to click on sign up. You can see sign up right here. Okay, so once you click on sign up, it's going to show you some options of how you can sign up on this platform. Okay, you can actually sign up with your Google account, you can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with email. Okay, so guys, the easiest one is to just sign up with Facebook. Okay, Facebook is actually the easiest way to sign up using this tool. Okay, but you can actually still sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, it's still all the same thing, but Facebook is the fastest, so I'm just going to click on Facebook. Okay, you can see it's showing continue as Victor. Okay, so I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, so guys, you can actually use any of those details as or to sign up on this platform. Okay, you can use your Gmail, you can use Facebook, you can use your email as well. Okay, so right here you can see I actually use my Facebook, and this is where I was directed to after clicking on my name. So I'll just click on continue. So once I click on continue, let's see where it's going to direct us to. Okay, I actually have account on this, but I'm just trying to do this so that you guys can understand how you can get your way around this canva.com. okay, so you can see it is loading right here. It is actually loading. Let's see how long it's going to take. Okay, so you can see we are directed to this page. Okay, so right here you can actually choose any of these, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm just going to select small business. Okay, you can see what they wrote here. We'll use this to recommend designs and templates especially for you. Okay, but this is actually how the algorithm works. Depending on what you select, that's how the pop-up is going to work. Okay, like the designs that are going to be popping up when you log in automatically, but trust me, you can actually search for any type of design or template on this platform and it's still gonna come up. Okay, no matter what you select while signing up. Okay, so right here I'm just going to select small business. Okay, so once you select this, you're going to be directed to another page. Okay, you can see I've just selected this. Okay guys, you can see the next page we are directed to. So right here you can just type in your email address. Okay, you can type in your email address and you can just keep it. It's not really necessary. Whenever you want to log in, it's gonna log in automatically using your Facebook account. Okay, so you can just click on maybe later and you're gonna be directed to the Canva official page. Okay, so right here you can see I told you earlier that they have a free plan and they also have pro plan. Okay, so the pro plan is maybe when you become a professional and you want to do other better designs. Okay, but trust me, for this free trial you can still be making great designs with this tool for the free trial. Okay, so like for the free plan, okay, you can still be using it for free and be creating a lot of designs. Okay, you can use this platform without paying anything and you're still going to be creating a lot of designs. So you just click on maybe later. So once you click on maybe later, you can see you have successfully created a Canva account. You can see these are templates These are free templates for you. Maybe you want to create a book cover, you want to create a flyer for advert, you want to create a banner, you want to create a logo. There are lots of them here. Okay, so this video is just to show you how you can create a Canva account. Trust me, if you're seeing my video for the first time, you're coming across my channel for the first time, I'll say you should hit subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on this channel, you get notified. By YouTube, you can just learn, watch whatever I post. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end this video here. Trust me, I'm going to make more videos on how you can design whatever you want to design on this platform for totally free. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.